So starting out, our omelet, need 3 large eggs. If you like cheese, I do about 1/4 of a cup. Any protein that you have, I like to mix in some green onion. For my healthy fat, I use coconut oil. If you can do dairy, heavy whipping cream makes it real creamy and smooth. And then salt, pepper, and garlic are our starting out ingredients. All right, we're gonna blend all of our ingredients. Once your coconut oil is in the pan on high heat and all melted, you're gonna mix your protein in with the mixture, mix it up, and you're going to, about 6 inches from the top, you're gonna slowly pour this. It's going to bubble. You want it to cook on one side about 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Get all of that in there. Let it bubble, do its thing. You can even spread out your protein so it's nice and even. All right, and let it cook in that oil for about 45 seconds. You'll know when it's ready to flip. While that one side is cooking, I like to add my salt and pepper. It's all ready to go. Can always do some granulated garlic too. I like to put that in my omelet. And if it takes longer than 45 seconds, just wait until it starts to bubble a little bit around the edges, and then we're gonna fold it over. In my experience, I've noticed doing 2 smaller omelets is a little easier to flip. You can always fold it over with a spatula. It's a little tricky. It's gonna be a little messy. But if that's a little too hard to handle, you can always do 2 smaller omelets. We're gonna let this cook another probably 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and then we're gonna flip it. I just flipped it. Yeah, it took a little bit longer than 45 seconds. So just judge it. Once it's a little golden brown, you'll flip it. And just let it cook a little bit longer so the inside is all cooked. And then we're gonna plate it.